Schedule downtime after networking. Social interactions can leave introverts like us drained, and it compels us to crave time to recharge. You can do this. Always plan for quiet time or a relaxing activity after every networking event to recharge your energy. Take Nancy, for example. She owns a medical supply store. Now, back then, she would get all stressed out talking at networking events. And because of this, she would get cranky, and it even affected her relationship with her husband and her teenage children. It took Nancy some time to adapt to the habit of scheduling a quiet evening, but when she got used to it, this downtime became essential. It now allows her to decompress and recharge her batteries. Instead of diving straight back into work, she takes the time to relax and unwind. And as a result, whenever she returns to her business the next day, she feels refreshed and rejuvenated. Her mind is clear, her energy levels replenished, and she's ready to tackle any challenge that comes her way. Next time you find yourself feeling drained after a social event, remember Nancy's example and prioritize your self-care.